Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you about how to add transit card to your Apple Wallet from Canada. Transit card, also known as a travel card or bus train pass, is a ticket or card that allows a passenger to ride public transportation like buses, trains, or subways, either for a specific number of trips or unlimited rides within a set period. So how you can add it to your Apple Wallet? For this, first from your iPhone, open Apple Wallet. Then after opening it, then select the plus icon from here. Then here, from here select travel card. Then you will see in Canada, you will see your travel card here. Tap on it and then tap on continue, and that's it. That's how you can add transit card to your Apple Wallet.